Big Back for Life gang. What up, though? We got some Chinese food today, y'all. I went to the Chinese spot in Southfield called Chinatown Express. They got some good Chinese food. I got they beef lo mein, or is it lo mein? Whatever. That's what it looked like. Oh, man, that looked good. It's beef, some vegetables, and I add some red chili oil. And also, I got the egg fouillon, chicken egg fouillon. Yeah, I got the gravy for the egg fouillon. You know how we get down, fam. Get a bite. Oh, Lord, that look good. This thing's so good, I gotta give y'all another bite. Get another bite, fam. Oh my God, that look good. The last time I had egg fouillon, I was like a kid, and I used to hate this. I'm gonna try it again since I'm grown and see if my taste buds change. Maybe I like it this time. All right, fam, you get the first bite. Tell me how it is. Is it good? Is it good? All right, then. I mean, it's not terrible. We'll say this. Tastes better last time I had this. Grab that gravy. Let's get a nice dip. Oh, Lord. Oh, look at that goodness. Oh, yeah. That gravy turned it up for sure. Oh, yeah, that's some good gravy. Oh, Lord. Let me get some of these noodles, the egg fouillon, and dip it in the gravy. Oh, Lord. That gravy is bomb, bro. And I'ma have me a big bag for life. For life. For life. I'ma have me a big bag for life.